Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is a quick update video regarding the Flysky FRM302 AFHDS 3 2.4 GHz long-range module. The maximum output power of this module is 2 watts, and today in this video I'm going to perform a couple of range tests using my Mavic Air 2 and this box, which currently holds a Crossfire Nano SE receiver. In order to perform the test, I connected the Flysky FTR16S radio receiver to a flight controller inside the box, which is connected to a GPS unit and an analog DVR. Then, using a double-sided tape and some zip ties, I mounted this box on the Mavic Air 2, which by the way was set during the test to 5.8 GHz frequency in order to prevent any radio interference. And after placing the FRM302 module inside the GR module bay of the RadioMaster TX16S, I set it to 100 mW and also to 2 watts, and using the Mavic Air 2, I followed the same flight path in order to compare these two options. In addition, using the same method, I also added to this comparison video the TBS Crossfire Micro TX V2 module, which I'm going to feature on a separate video, but unfortunately I had some technical issues and the DVR file was corrupted, so only a part of this test is included in this video. As for the test results, currently at the moment of shooting this video, unless you are restricted to the 2.4 GHz band, I don't see any reason to prefer the Flysky FRM302 module over the Crossfire system, especially if you're using an OpenTX radio controller, which is still not fully compatible with the FRM302 module, and you'll be able to use it only on PPM mode. Having that said, you should note that according to Flysky, OpenTX support should be added in the near future, and in addition, the radio system might perform better when used with the Flysky radio controller, so I might test it again on UART mode, maybe after Flysky are going to release a firmware update. Now, after this introduction, I'm going to show you the test, and by the way, in case it wasn't clear, I used the stock antenna, which was set to the correct orientation. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.
You should